Hello, hello, my loves. It is your girl TIGGY, and we are back with another video. So, in this video today, we will be doing an unboxing for the Candy Case Co. And a Candy and Case are both with Case. I will have KARLI linked down below, as well as if you go to her Instagram page, she has the link in her bio to her website. She makes handmade kawaii cases and accessories and does super amazing. I absolutely adore her. She's like my spirit animal. I think you all will really love her if you love deco den bling rhinestone type of cases. These are again handmade, and I actually got it really quick. The turnaround time was really fast, and I haven't seen it yet. It is still all completely packaged up and everything. So let's get this open. Alright. So let's take it out and see what it's looking like. I do feel something. Ooh, I dropped something. I'll make sure to insert a picture of what it is. So first things first. Oh, she sent me a little like gift. It is a kind of like tinted pink colored gloss. That's super cute. Thank you so much, boo. And thank you for the other thing as well. I don't know. It dropped. Ooh, there's candy. Some Smarties. Alright, so let's open this pouch. I really love the presentation of the packaging. I love these little bags. I do end up keeping them and putting, you know, some other phone accessories inside. But let's get this bad boy open. And let's take it out. I'm still not going to show the case yet. I did get like a little peek, but I didn't like look at it. But she sent a super cute card. How sweet of you is what it says. And has like popsicles on it. Little like cherry type of popsicles. I love that. I will read that off camera. Ooh, she sent another bag of just like candy and things like that inside of here. Little candy goodie bag. By the way, I love Smarties. Oh, I love that. So she does put like I have a little insert in there. So I love these things because if you don't know about them, what you could do is you could take pictures with your phone of it like this. Because it has that insert, it's going to look like your phone's in there. But I absolutely love this. I love pink. I love pink. So the sprinkles are giving me so much life right now. If you look in the background, there are like sprinkles back there. You have like a rainbow and some lollipops. The sides also have rhinestones. I love that. I don't know. This feels like a one-piece case, but like it's so durable. This is probably one of the more durable like deco cases that I've gotten, like protective wise. The back is hard, like a hard plastic, but the sides are a little bit more pliable and easy to get your phone on and off. I absolutely love this. I love the fact that it does create some width to the phone, to the back of it, but nothing crazy. It's not too much. I've seen these type of cases before, and it's like a lot. This is from her candy line. I believe that's the only part of the name, but I'm not too sure. Yeah, candy cluster case is what they're called. And I do still have my 12 Pro Max. Let's get it on. It's a little tough to get on, but it's understandable because of the rhinestones on the side. So I would suggest maybe putting in one side first And then the other. Ooh, I love that. It looks so good. I love this. Such beautiful work. And they don't feel loose. Yeah, these suckers are on here, okay, y'all? But yes, I just wanted to come and show y'all this. I did just get it today in the mail. And was super excited. Y'all lucky I waited to unpack this here on camera because I was ready to go. But how beautiful. Beautiful. Look at it. I love that. I absolutely love that. I'm probably just going to keep this one on. We'll see. I don't like to ruin things that I have either that's handmade. You do have to make sure you're taking care of them, and like don't be just throwing them everywhere. Again, it's handmade, so remember there will be imperfections. I mean, I love this. I think it's perfect for me, but others may be particular, but I don't think you'll have any issues with KARLI's work. But definitely go check her out. Don't forget, her Instagram will be linked down below, so will mine. So don't forget to go and check us out on there. I do follow a lot of other Deco Den creators, so definitely come on over and see what's going on. But as always, thank you so much for being here today, and have a good morning, a good afternoon, a good evening, and a good night wherever you are in the world. And until next time, bye loves. Mwah.